Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can make a video playlist on YouTube using your phone. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to make a video playlist on YouTube using your phone, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your YouTube app, but you can also do this on the YouTube website since the steps will still basically be the same, but in my case, I will use the YouTube app. And once you've opened your YouTube, next, I want you to tap your profile on the bottom right corner. And after tapping it, there it is guys, you will now be able to see the playlist section, which is where you can view all your YouTube playlist, so just tap the plus button to create a new playlist. And then you can now begin setting up your playlist. So right here, you just need to enter your playlist name, so just enter whatever you like. And after entering the name, you can now select the visibility of your playlist, select private if you want your playlist to be visible only for you, and select public if you want it to be visible to anyone. The public visibility is ideal if you have a YouTube videos that you want to compile into a single category for your viewers to easily find it, but if you prefer to keep the playlist for personal use, select the private option. And once you're done setting up, you can now tap the create button. And after tapping it, your playlist will now be created. So now that you have your new playlist, let me now show you how you can add videos there. So to do that, you just need to tap this add videos button right here. And then you can now search for any video you want to add to your playlist. And once you've found the video, just tap the save to playlist button right here. And after that, there you go guys, the videos will now be added. And also, if you find any video that you like while browsing on YouTube, you can add it to your playlist if you want. So to do that, first, I want you to tap the three dots beside the video. And after tapping it, you will now see the save to playlist option right here, just go and tap it. And then just select the playlist where you want to save the video. Once you're done selecting, you can now tap done. And after that, there you go guys, it's done. The video will now be added to your playlist just like that. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.